The site is located just outside of Queenstown in a place called Arthur's Point. It's a really beautiful, picturesque sort of place at the bottom of Coronet Peak.
When we arrived at the site, it was really apparent how steep it was, but it was also equally apparent how this was going to need to be a viewing platform for this stunning view.
The clients for this house are a couple of brothers who are builders, and they fundamentally follow the same principles that we do. They want to create high-performance buildings. So something that was within a certain budget, but achieving quite a high standard.
The exterior cladding materials were selected to sit subtly into the landscape and recede into the nature.
The house really is a two-storey rectangle. It's almost actually a square plan. We wanted to create elements of shade on the outside that also added to the interest of the building. We've basically got the house, which is a robust profiled metal cladding, and the car platform is surrounded in a wood finish. When you arrive at this house, you arrive at the carport, which is at road level, and then you come down an external staircase to the front door, and you come a little bit further forwards and you've got this incredible view that just opens up. Upstairs we've got the living area, kitchen and office and a little yoga space. The floors are timber and the walls, it's actually a paint finish, but it looks like concrete.
And we really wanted to contrast with that and retreat downstairs to the bunker where the bedrooms are, which is much darker and more moody. Everything
is airtight. It has the heat exchange ventilation system, so everywhere's got fresh air all of the time. We've got these windows, which are triple glazed, and they're tilt and turn European frames. And then on top of that, we've got the solar panels. So we've got a full solar array on the roof and the Tesla battery in the plant room. What this means is the house is always within a really comfortable temperature range, and it's really low energy. So throughout the whole year, the house is effectively net zero.
This house proves for us that you don't need to compromise on beautiful, uplifting architecture on a budget.
People misunderstand what passive house is, and essentially it's about low energy but also comfort and health, and achieving a building that feels great to live in. And essentially, if you can do it here, then you can do it anywhere in New Zealand.